Let's see if Bob will win $100 using the strategy he found. Do you think he'll win? Let's find out right now. But before we begin, I would like your help and support this channel. Please click on the like button, share the video, leave a comment below the description, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Please also click the little bell icon so you can be notified when I put up a new video. Thank you, and let's begin.
Alright, so this is Inbox Dollars, and I am going to see if I can win $100. And you can do it with the scratch and win. And this is your progress bar. And so how you get these going, you have to do certain tasks. And the tasks are very simple. One of which is you go over here and basically click on these advertisements, and then you'll see this progress bar go all the way. And what we want, the goal is right over here. That's when you'll make the most money when you do the scratch offs. Now, please understand, before we do this, these are my results. Your results may differ, okay? I might win $100, I might win 8 cents, all right? So it's what it is, what it is, it's what it is, it's what it is, as they say. All right, so let's go. All right, confirm this, you click that, and then you come back over here and you see it's gone, and then you can close out of that and just keep on going. And you'll see that this progress bar keeps going. Now it does slow up the more you get this way, so but I'll show you what else you can do to move that progress bar along. Okay. And just keep right on trucking here. Just keep right on trucking. All right, so as you can see, we've done all of those. Let me refresh it so there's nothing new in there. All right, so what else you can do? You can do like Google searches. So let's type in, let's say, Chevy trucks. Right? And then you'll see you have to do this several times in order for this progress bar to move this progress bar along. All right? I know it's kind of weird, but what I do is I click on images, and as you can see, it moved it. So as long as we're moving it, we can move this part along. All right, so now that we've completed this circle, we have to do something else. So let's type in Ford. Now you can see that it's got a quarter of it. And we can just go down here to the next page. As you can see, it's moving. What would happen if you actually clicked on one of those? Nothing. We want you to do the search. All right, so we've completed that. And you could do any type of searches, but please understand that it is limited. You can't just keep on doing this all day long. That's not how it works. Also, you're not going to get rich doing this. If you want something that's a little bit more sustainable for you, or a lot more sustainable depending on how you run your business, check out the link in the description. All right? and then you can use that information down there, and you can start an online business for not a whole lot of money. But you'll also get a lot of education, especially if you're new to this. All right, so now that we're done with that, we want to see how much money you can do. So you can win $10, you can win $25, but we're going to win $100. Okay? All right, so yeah, I'm forward thinking. I'm all about positive waves. That's why I said I'm gonna win $100. But you can see right down here, all these winners. So there is money to be had here. Okay. All right. So yeah, you're not going to make a whole lot of money. I haven't really made a whole lot of money. This is nothing, right? This is just pennies, basically. But it has a low payment threshold. I do believe it's $10. And I'm going to wait until it's $10. And then you set that money aside so you can buy bigger ticket items. All right? That can make you even more money. All right. So let's scratch this right now. Let's get going. Scritchy, 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 scritchy. Only won 5 cents. Yeah. All right. Well, join me next week and maybe we'll win some more money. Thank you for watching today's video. Please smash that like button. Please share this video with everyone you know. Hit the share buttons down below. Leave a nice comment down there and say hi. Tell us where you're from. Last but certainly not least, please subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notifications by clicking that little bell icon so you know when we put up a new video, like that. You are awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, guys.